Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. During my trip to Bangkok, I got lots of condiments to do a bit of home cooking when I have my Thai food cravings. Today, I'm going to share with you this red curry udon soup recipe that takes just about 25 minutes. Before we start, press pause and subscribe to my channel. My videos are subtitled in both English and Chinese, just click them on screen. I also post bilingual recipes on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is cheflaura6, which is also linked in the description box below. Let's get started. You can really use anything in your fridge for this recipe as long as you have red curry paste and coconut milk. I got this Thai chili paste which has tons of spices and chili in it. If you see something similar, feel free to use for dishes like these. Let's start by prepping the chicken thigh, my protein of choice. Take the time to remove excess fat and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. They shrink a little, so don't cut them up too small. Next up, you'll want to prepare the vegetables. Today I'm using bell pepper. Just cut them up into thin slices. Do the same to the onion, cut it into large chunks. Mince some garlic and shallot. I like my curry on the spicier side, so I'll add some Thai chili, but this is completely optional. Remove the outer layer of the lemongrass stalk and cut it into large pieces. I tend not to use the ends. Finally, roughly cut some parsley and green onions for garnishing. After all the simple preparation, we're all set to start cooking. In a separate pot, cook your udon or noodles according to the instructions on the package. Heat your larger pot and add some oil. Add in the curry paste once the oil is hot. Curry paste is packed with different ingredients and spices. Bringing it back to heat will help getting all the flavors out. Here, I added the Thai chili paste, which gave it an extra kick of flavor. Stir fry for a little bit, then add in the minced garlic and shallot. Continue to stir fry, then it's time to add the vegetables. Add veggies in according to the time it takes for them to soften. Onion usually takes a little longer, so I added them first, followed by red bell peppers. Stir fry them all till it's all covered by the red curry paste. After stir frying for a little bit, push the veggies aside, then add in the chicken thighs. After each piece of chicken is coated with red curry paste, lay it flat at the bottom of the pot and let it cook for a minute or two. Then stir fry and repeat. I much prefer stir frying the chicken first than adding liquids because it gives the chicken a chance to brown and it tastes so much better. Once the chicken is nearly cooked through, add coconut milk and water to the pot. Coconut milk is a crucial ingredient to red curry, so don't miss it. Allow it to come to a boil, then add in your green beans and spices, including Thai chili, lime leaves, and lemongrass. Add a dash of lime juice, palm sugar, and fish sauce to taste. Let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes to bring everything together. You're welcome to add the raw noodles to cook in the pot, but because I don't want the soup to become too starchy, I prefer to cook them separately. When the curry is ready, you're all set to plate. Add a few spoonfuls of curry soup to mix with the noodles first to make sure each strand of noodle is covered with curry soup. Then add a few more spoonfuls and plate accordingly. Ta-da! We're all done! This simple recipe takes less than 30 minutes to make, and you can easily make more and store in the fridge the next day. Give this a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you want to see more recipes and food adventures from me, please do hit that subscribe button and click that bell. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you next time.